and the pro. The rookie is the big guy to the left, and the pro is the little dude trying to reach for the food.
All right.
So now, Charlie, do you want me to give you any tips starting off, or do you want me to let you go as it is? Now, you know you have to try it before he does.
Well, I just did. I just got it all over my thumb. Here we go. Is it good? Is it good? All right. Try a little more. Here we go. Oh. He knows what a spoon's about. He knows what a spoon's about, don't you?
Hey, little guy.
There you go.
I know. Mama, back off. I'm eating.
All right, here we go. Come here. Come here.
Not fair, babe. Here you go.
All right, come here. I know you want it. Hang on.
See, I forgot to tell you, we're eating peas and carrots, and peas are our absolute favorite.
Are they really?
Oh, yeah.
He doesn't like the carrots very much?
Oh, no, he just loves peas.
Well, don't try to ram the spoon down him. Here we go. We're not doing well at this. Come here, buddy. Look up, Mama. Look up.
Chaz.
Look up.
Chaz.
Is it good?
Put the food up to him. Yeah.
Come here, buddy. All right, let's try this. How's that? You like the peas better though, huh?